This video shows how the clock sleeps when no movement is detected after 5 minutes, and then reactivates when movement is detected again. The clock has now been running for 5 minutes with no movement being detected. The clock now goes to sleep, the digital display turns off and the hands stop moving. The pink and green LEDs alternately flash for 1 second each while the clock is sleeping. If chimes have been enabled on timer or 24/7, they will keep chiming while the clock is in sleep mode. As soon as any movement is detected, the clock wakes up and the hands fly forwards or backwards to the current time.